What is good, Ghost Squad? How y'all doing today? Black Ghost Face is here to continue on to doing Courage the Cowardly Dog. Now, before I begin, I just want to say that Courage the Cowardly Dog is one of the shows I would do a watch party, but seeing as how the whoever was in charge of putting out the episodes, they did it horribly wrong. They got it to where there's like episode 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4. They got it just all mixed up. It's not like go to the next video. No, I have to like literally look up and find out what is the next episode. Since I clearly did the episodes wrong because it was put out like that, I have to find out what's the next episode. I have to really search online to find out the next episode is, episode 11. Oh, okay. But it's actually episode 2, episode 3. So, we're jumping in to Courage the Cowardly Dog. Enjoy. Courage meets Bigfoot. Alright. I know it has been a while, but better late than never. Yo, whoever was in control of letting letting out the episode like that, they should have got fired. If they're not fired, I am astounded. Breathe, Courage, breathe. Something's outside. You gotta love his imagination. It's a fucking dinosaur. A Tyrannosaurus Rex. What is it, baby? Raccoons? Nah. Yeah, raccoons don't have teeth like that. Bruh. Yeah. Oh boy. Yep. Oh my god. I recognize that sound. It's coming. Don't panic, Courage. Don't panic. Where? Uh-uh. Mm-mm. Oh, no, you don't. It's mine. Let go of it. Unhand it, fiend. Come on, Courage. Use your inner strength. Uh... Right? I know my pie is good, but not that good. Sheesh. Like, where can you disappear to? You're in the middle of nowhere. There is no trees, no buildings for you to hide that quickly. Why did Courage look like that? Just disasters. Bigfoot. A reward. What? Wow. He's happy. Right? Oh, $25. Yeah. Yeah. Right? It couldn't be Bigfoot, right? There's no possible way. Wait, then how did they get that footage? Oh my god. Now stuck in between the toes. Oh, the horror. It's good. No, this is not good. I mean, what? A mousetrap. A Bigfoot. And you're using a mousetrap. Get away from me. Like, I mean, you just one of them neighbors. And he got a fishing hook. This man think he going fishing for a Bigfoot. What sense does that make? What the? I mean, like a screaming contest. Yeet. Okay, wise guy. Yeet. Okay. Battle stations. Mm-hmm. Food fight. Deal. Oh, not the bananas. They're good potassium and fiber. That's right. Food fight. A whale. Where you get all this food from? Just pulling it out of your pocket? Out of your butthole? Really? Really, guys? Okay, now they're just having fun now. Like it just magically got okay. Like it just magically just got like that. You kids. Um I'm being screaming contest. You woke up. She woke up from that. An angry mob. Um Wait, did he gather all of them or they just showed up there? Uh Muriel, like what world are you in right now? Like nothing bothers her. Oh, he's getting agitated. He's getting angry. Like, get some! Like, come on! Do something! What did they be... I wonder what be going on in their mind, wonder, like, how do you do that, Courage? Are you a shapeshifter? Your boy, Theodore. Oh, that is sweet. Right? We gonna make you. We gonna make you. You just stand right there. Mm-hmm. Right? Chasing him out of town. Proper ending. What? Oh, okay. Yo, whoever was singing that was really into it. But next episode, hothead. Well, next part actually. Ooh. Uh huh. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. I don't worry, Steve Harvey. There's nothing up there. Doggone it. Like, okay, thanks, I guess. Whoa. Please don't do this to me. You're welcome. Me mother. What? What does that have to do? Okay. Hold up now. The wind is nice. I'm free. I'm out of here. It's okay. It's all part of training. What's it? Wait, what does this got to do with getting hair? I don't understand. I can't comprehend. This is like some NASA training. Oh my god, the velocity. Oh my god, the speed. Intense. Bro, what? Uh, Broke every bone in his body. Oh my god. Um, take cover? Whoa. Wow. That's like people rage quitting. Ah! Like, what the? What is that? Bro, it's like rage quitting at its finest. Look, look, look! Kaboom! Oh my god. Okay, look at me, look at me. One, angry, kaboom! Oh no. Do they pay attention to detail? Lick gulp. Oh no! Kurt's like, oh no! And the eyes! The veins! Like he's trying to turn into a Super Saiyan. Wow. Wow. Oh, thank you. But wait! There's more! Oh dear. Bro. Oh no. Mm-mm. Yep. Do some courage. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten in 4 days, Muriel. Bro, it's just a chair. Oh my god, he's in that. Oh my god, he's in the Dragon Ball Z stance. Yo, what, bro? Did you see he's in a like? It's just a chair. It's just a chair. It's just a chair. Yo, it's just a chair. Oh no. Oh my god, no. I've had those times. Oh yeah, I've had those times too, man. I be getting mad too. Like this motherfucker won't open. The veins popping out of my head. Oh my goodness. So Miro, you don't notice the earthquake that's happening? Yeah, you know me. Nice. And he's putting more. That his head is literally steaming. Yep. Stay calm. Stay calm, man. Just keep staying calm, man. Stay calm. Stay calm. Oh my god, he's getting madder. Fat harder. Stay happy. Keep calm and stay happy, remember? Keep positive thoughts. Um, I never really tried that, but I could tell that requires a lot of patience. Yeah, I know it's probably easy to some of y'all, but he doesn't have patience like that. Oh no. Oh god. Oh boy. Now come on. Do you not know anything that's happening? Oh my god, his eyes about to pop out. Oh my god. Come on, Muriel. Let's go outside for some fresh air. He actually grew hair. Huh. What the? Oh my god, he's about to go Super Saiyan. Right? Got out the window. Blew up though. He's self-destructed like Vegeta. Wow. Yeah, right? Bro, can you just can you enlighten me that what Eustace did is basically like Dragon Ball Z? This man literally got into the Super Saiyan pose, okay? Just I mean, bro, he literally about to go. He was so mad. He was so mad at the chair. The chair. It's just a chair, man. But as soon as the phone started ringing, the rage in his face went directly to the phone. Oh my god! And there's some times that I can understand I'm mad, like opening up. You know, I can understand that part. Maybe threading the needle, maybe, but it's like trying to open a pickle jar, and it's like it's stuck, and you like got in the headlock and all that. It's like that. I can understand that, but a chair, my god, bro, that is like the definition of rage quitting. That is like the high. That's like the definition of rage quitting. That's like the biggest reference of turning Super Saiyan. Like he trying his bro eyes popping out of his skull, veins. You can see the veins clear as day. Like he's trying to go Super Saiyan, trying. I may not have hair, but I promise you, I am a Super Saiyan. Okay, next episode, y'all. See, I have to like literally look for the next episode. And look at me, this was right there, the next episode. Okay. Just one time, can you just bite him in the leg? Just bite him. Bite his leg off. What is this, Muriel? Yes. Yes, enlighten me. Mmm. Mmm. Soft. Smooth. Yeah. Hmm. So they know exactly where you live, and that does not bother you, Miriam. Oh, we know where you live. We've been waiting for you. We've been watching you. So Muriel has no instinct, right? And it's natural. It's perfectly normal to just hear that over the phone. Oh, you calling a whole new company, right? No. Oh, we know where you live. We've been watching you. They're gonna kill us. It's gonna kill you. Don't do it. Does it look lovely? Did you not see what courage you saw? Uh-uh. Did you not see what courage you saw? He saw an angry spirit looking at him. You tell me you didn't see that? I can't wait either. The whole room is lit green. Get out of the bed. Doggone it. No, no, Muriel. I gotta save her. Oh, she's done for. Oh dear. Oh dear. I'm gonna fix you. Get away from me. Got time for this. You gonna cooperate with me. You sit right there. Oh boy. Like now you know. 12 o'clock midnight. It gave her more than that. Yeah, who's this we? That's your bed, remember? You wuss. You coward. You fish stick. What is the temperature? Negative holy degrees? Who, me? Mm-hmm. 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 Like, oh, sorry. Us. There's us. Oh, I'm gonna do something about it. It's go time. You ready? Let's do this. The epic battle of all battles. Who's gonna win? Spirits or courage? Darn. You're like, darn. Oh my. So, like, how did Courage get this computer? He actually do it. He actually did it. Hullabaloo and howdy do. I okay. Did you just do that for joy? He trembling. Right? Like you stuttering too much. And you're not even saying it with spirit. Say it with spirit, man. Say it to the spirit with spirit. Mm. Mm-hmm. The white flag. Yeah. Oh, what the? And you, sir, are eliminated. Oh, wow. Back up. Oh. Hmm. Wow. Courage did it just like that. Doggone it. Mm. Oh, boy. He came in a hazmat suit. Whoa, hold up now. Do some foreplay, eh? Get off me! Get off me! Get off me! Get off me right now! Wonder Woman strikes again. Ah. And also, you got extra. Yeah. This man came with a hazmat outfit. Freaky Fred. Oh no. Oh, Freaky Fred. Mmm. That smile. That smile. Oh my god. That freaky. It's like Cat in the Hat. The rhymes. Naughty. Every time you say naughty, you just be smiling. Bro, how naughty are you? Like, how naughty are you? Not the mime. Anything but the mime. It's like related to the clowns. Naughty. Your nephew. Mm. So, Muriel, who are your family members? I'm so curious to know. Oh, Courage is like, nah, I'm good. I'm good. I'm so good. Keep cool, Courage. Keep cool. Wow. At least home for freaky barbers. I'm trying to warn you, doggone it. Got that Joker smile. Mm-mm. Not at all. Freak. Ugh. Too late. Whoopee. I mean, out of nowhere, you got me messed up. I'm about to jump out that window. I will jump out that window. I promise you. Mm-mm. 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 Open the door. Stop looking at me like that. Bro, Joker. Oh boy. Oh dear. He's smiling ear to ear. Do you understand how terrifying it is if you met someone smiling from ear to ear? You would be screaming. Imagine seeing that in your room at night. Naughty. Courage. You should have jumped out the window. Uh. Mm-mm. Got that bubblegum skin. Bubblegum fur. What the? Really, Courage? That's all, folks. This dude is on vacation. Pippi Longstocking. That's Pippi Longstocking. No, no. Oh my god, the horror. Oh my god, make it stop. No, you're evil. He's trying to escape. Oh, it's so cute. Come here. He's traumatizing him. Help me. Are you kidding me, Muriel? Does that sound like I want babies? Mm-mm. Yamada! This motherfucker on vacation. He's on vacation. There you go. There you go. Here you go. Chuck it all down now. I'm dying. Is he shaving the pancakes? No, no. You are dangerous. How does one shave pancakes? You're shaving food. No. A trim? Bro, have you met Bigfoot? Oh wait, never mind. He said a trim. Bro, that's an operation. Oh, the horror. Y'all are, yo, Muriel. Muriel. Oh well. La da 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 da. Muriel, you are wrong for that. She's watching TV while Courage is screaming in the bathroom. And this motherfucker's at the movies. I don't believe this. Courage is naked. What more do you want from me? No, not my tail. Mm-hmm. Rape! Right? Not naughty. Courage, have you seen horror movies? It always takes them to the end of the movie. Courage, like, I can't believe you. He is. He's tired. Yeah, too bad. And Brilliant Charm. He signed it on his butt cheek. Nah, that's even worse. Nah, nah. Fred is a menace. He marked, he said, with love, Fred, on his butt cheek. I don't know who's worse, Eustace or Muriel. In this episode, I would have to say Muriel. You would think that is everything all right in there? And you hearing crying animal noises behind the door in the room, and you're like, oh, can't wait for those pancakes, can you? Like, are you for real? Are you for real? You hear crying animal noises, and the first thing that came to your mouth, came out of your mouth, just can't wait for those pancakes, can't you? Like, you think him crying in the room, you think that he was packing. Oh man, the fact that Eustace was going on vacation, like he just took a break from just that. But what bothered me was that Fred shaving pancakes around his mouth. How do you shave food? I guess there's your answer. There is your diabolical answer. You shaving food from someone's mouth. Nah, if this was like for real, there would have been blood all around Kurt's mouth. There would have been blood all around there. They really had Pippi Longstocking in there. For those who know, you know. Had Pippi Longstocking in there. Why didn't Courage jump out the window? That's my biggest question. That is my biggest question. Why didn't Courage jump out the bloody window? What stopped him? You going in the toilet? You going in the sink, bro? You jumped out the window before. What stopped you there? I would not care what floor I'm on. I'm jumping out the window. I would rather take a chance of getting hurt than to be assaulted. With a man smiling from ear to ear like the Joker and having a razor while smiling. I'll take my chances. I will take my chances of getting bruised on the way. Like just whoo, boom. I'll take my chances. But hey, I hope y'all enjoyed the double episode, y'all. You know, just to make up for it. But if y'all want to stay tuned, y'all, stab the buttons down below, and you will see the next video. Like I said, I can't do a watch party of this, cause like you know, y'all, you don't understand, y'all. You don't understand. It's like the episodes. It's like episode, like for real, episode 3 of what I did is episode 2. Episode 4 is episode 3. So I know if I do the next episode, I promise you it's gonna be. Let me see, which one was it? It's number 11. Yeah, I realized the next episode is at number 11. The Night of the Werewolf. Yeah, it's number 11. I'm not lying. If y'all go to Hulu, you'll see for yourself. I can't. I have to like look online to where next episode. Oh, there it is right here. It's not next episode. It's not next. I gotta look for it. I have to look for it. But I hope you have a good day, y'all. Stay safe and hey, if y'all, I might stream Courage, but I'll do season 2. I will stream season 2 of Courage. I will, because Courage is enjoyable, but again, it's gonna be to where I have to look for the episode. So, and I'm sure y'all probably okay with that too. But other than that, yeah, I'm gonna be done with season 1. But like I said, I'm trying to finish Archer, trying to finish The Walking Dead. Once I'm done with those 2, then I'll go back into streaming. Okay, so stay tuned for when the watch party returns. Alright? But I hope you have a good day. Stay safe, and of course you already know. Peace.